I like to wear when I want to look neat. Like if my baju is like, if my clothes are like super fancy or whatever and I want to tone it down and just have a clean cut, I wear it this style. So I show you. This is chiffon crepe. I think chiffon is like the easiest to style, the easiest to wear. Everybody loves it. If it's your first hijab material, I think it should be chiffon because it's like the easiest. So both sides, same length. Okay, then push it to the back and pin it. Pin both sides to the back. Here with a safety pin. Okay, and then you look like a nun. And okay, so here, and then you bring back both sides to the front, like that. Well, I've actually seen bloggers actually go out like this. Like, this is kind of cool as well. Oh, okay, maybe it's four styles.